crikey, mate. He's inside his lair. Here, he comes out for a peek to get the food. The Captolyptus, the black and white, the tuxedo, has come from its lair to retrieve its food. It's wary of all things surrounding it. By nature, it is very wary of these dogs on the street that are going to ruin my video. This is horrible. Yes, kitten, I understand your pain. Humans and dogs. I love dogs, but dogs plus humans equals stupidity. It's just because people are stupid. Dogs are awesome. People are stupid. They dress their dogs in clothes. It's crazy.